Today will be the FOMC meeting, and the FOMC meeting will decide about the next future of Bitcoin. But will we see even higher prices or a fallback to lower levels? And what is going to happen in the medium term? In this video, I will talk about the FOMC meeting, and I will talk about the medium and long term of Bitcoin and how I will trade this event. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So as I said, today is the famous FOMC meeting, and it will decide of the Bitcoin price in the near future. And as you can see, about 40% think that 25 basis points will be cut and 60% think that 50 basis points will rate cut. But in the last days, it was very interesting because before there were even more people thinking that we got a basis rate cut about 25 points, and now it is more on this side. And right now, as you can see, we have a lot of liquidity under this last lows at $57,200 and over this last high at $61,000. And after this last low at 52,000, we saw this extreme pump to 60,000, and now we are between these zones. And I personally will not trade this event because either we are getting this basis cut points or this one. The outgoing is very random, so it can happen anything. I think the chance is high that we can see a liquidity hunting event, that we are taking this liquidity under this lows or over this highs. And I think it's gambling if you are deciding right now to take a trade, because to 50% we can see a move to the downside or to the upside. I personally want to get strategic, good trades, and I don't want to gamble in Bitcoin. In trading, it's always important to stay rational and to don't gamble, that you have a strict risk management, a good strategy, and very good trading setups. So I personally think the chance is high today that we will sweep this last lows, take this liquidity, and if we could see a bullish reaction in this zone, then I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices from this zone. So maybe I will get into a long position in this area, or if we are seeing an even lower price, then I could also imagine getting into a spot or long position in this area. But if we are seeing a very strong move from this zone, a very fast move, then I'm not going to open a position, because then the chances also high that we could see an even bigger run. So I am not about having to have an open trade because I don't have FOMO right now. There will be even greater trading chances in the next days and weeks, so you don't have to be in a trade. And I could also imagine that we are sweeping this last highs. So I think the chances high that we are seeing liquidity hunting event, that we are getting this last lows and this last highs. And I'm personally more on the long side, so if we're coming back into these zones, I will take a long position if we are seeing a bullish reaction. But if the price action is not correct enough, then I will not enter a long position, because as I said, it's important to don't have FOMO, to stay rational and to take good chances and not like risk your money for very bad trading setups or gambling. On a medium time frame, I think the chance is higher that we could see higher prices, but of course the chance is also there that we get into recession and that the whole crypto market is moving even more downwards. It's very random what will happen now at the FOMC meeting. So I will watch the FOMC meeting and then maybe take a trade tomorrow at the next day. So guys, I wish you really good luck at trading and see you in the next one.